Ulit tayo ulit guys, okay. Gusto ko pa naman pumunta ng bahay na malapaalam pero hindi ko kayang gawin. Wala naman ako ginagawa masama. Ni kasi pa na cook to. I wanna see the money. Fucking car. Hindi naman to sa akin. Fucking na bed in the room. To say inside the bus. Sabi get ready to burst to. Yes. Isa na ako sabi ako darabas na makata na pangalan to Sir Insane. Pinabara mo pala para sa bugan akong dinamita. Kaya pa naman chilo. Kaya pa naman si ate. Kaya pa naman si Cinco. Ano ba? Hindi ka pa ako tinto. Malaking log sa Manila. Riot pa. I'm insane. Cinco yan na. I'm sorry, this is my fault and I don't wanna hurt him. Kalim tissue, I don't believe these people sa sinanabaan. Nagsarap natin. As speed chopper, mapalat niyan si Adi Maputi. I don't wanna go home. Finish yung panishin bully ang fucking ambition. Mas na pang yung on the motorway. Bitch, minor break. In the car with umbilical parts. I don't wanna kill it. I don't wanna chop in. I don't wanna life. Bring me. I wanna cook for him. I wanna know him. I wanna wash him. I wanna close him. I wanna break him. I wanna fight her. First her, jig. Eat there, jug there, hit there, slap there, go there, walk there, kill there, bite there, but a big give up, when a buy there, cook there, yell there, bitchin like them. Wait, before our display, liberty to see if lucky pogi left and like sorry, pero pis cat foot next to me, in a blow or spill, or ito, all bit of cat foot train, to spect the plane. Sino naman ang magaling na rapper sa Pilipinas pa, para ba naman si BCD, riding it ko kinigi, pinantipan pa sa dyan din ng eskwela, binuli si siniyawan pa, nagpagos sa tuhod, tanga man naman kasi hindi ka naghingan. Ito ang message chopper twisted insane. I'm sorry, this is not my fault and I don't wanna hurt them. Kill them, teaching. I don't believe in this people sa sinanabahan na sarap natin. Message chopper, this is the final fight of mercy. Wala naman ako kasalanan, kailangan mo naman mag-ingat at baka matodas ka sa mga bully at baka bully ka ng mga bully sa eskwelahan at baka maganap ang ating sa mga kalsadang puno ng mga gangsta. Huli-huli labanan natin to. Bumandari si Adi Maputi si Sir Insane sa mga rapi na animal dito kung kaya mo itong marap na mabilis. Nandito lang kami sapagkat wala nang mawawalang rapi sa ating Team Rapper Fest. Natapos na labanan, panalo na dyan si Adi Maputi at Tech Insane. Motherfucking insane! I'm sorry, this is my fault and I don't wanna hurt and kill temptation. I don't believe this people so meron pang habol na si bossing Adi Maputi. Let's go. Sriracha, I put the sauce on for my rice. Sriracha, I put the sauce for my rice. Sriracha, I put the sauce for my rice. Adi Maputi, ito na ang isang mabilis na rappers ni Adi Maputi. Labanan kay Twister Insane. Yes. Like a sleeker, like a raken, like a vikin, like a mikin, like a freaking, like a topakin, like a pakin, like a mitin, like a mitimin, like a mini, like a me, like a nikin, like a cheesy, like a honey, like a leggy, like a police, like a Elton John. Pag me out with this, I'm like a Godzilla, yeah. Stop! Like a man, like a Getty, like a Godzilla, like a rider, Big Smoke, Odilok, Mito, Rhino, Colin Johnson, Candy, and Sasha Brando, GTA said, oh my god! Are you crazy, Adi? Yes, I am insane! Gabi ka na, harap ka na, bilisan mo na, kainin mo na, baligon naman, I'm feeling flight, I'm feeling in the void of the darkness, right now, my playing going to the this is abandoned, there's a ghost, so gonna know, no one na go, jump find no, locomotive, or get a nuclear bomb to explode your dreams. Adi masarap pag malamig ng tubig, kaya pag naliligo kaysa napapawis na kakalaro sa sport complex, pati ba sa SM MOA, pinuntahan pa ng mga gangster. Ano pa kami insane talaga ako.